Good morning. Om Shri Guruve Tunai, Tiruneliyaman Tunai, Om Shri Veerashanta Mahakali Tunai. The first question, the fourth sign, the sixth sign. Answer, 4664. What will happen due to presence of Mercury with fourth lord? What will happen even if fourth lord Saturn has star contact with the karmic record 6? Sixth Bhava Moon, Saturn karma sign with. What will be the problem due to this? Suffering from Moon and Saturn karma for fourth Bhava is additive even through 4, 6 or in 7th aspect. Now when the fourth evil education trick house carriage property is entered in any matters related to this, there will be problem of Moon plus Saturn karmic disturbance. People with 4-6 combination should be careful while buying land and very careful while building a house. Fourth Bhava, fourth lord Saturn karma is present in the registered star and even then Saturn karma has come to fourth Bhava. That's all. Next, Sun karma fourth sign addition. Answer, seeing Ketu in the fourth house. Fourth Bhava, fourth lord Sun is in the karma registered star. Sun karma was in the fourth Bhava. One should be careful about Rajanga Viparidam, government related problems. If the 12th lord is in the fourth house or Ketu is in the fourth house or the fourth house is in the 12th house or the Sun is in the fourth house in the star combination, it is certain that there is going to be a government problem of our area, our Bhava. 1, 2, 4, 4, 12 C addition. There will be government intervention in his property. Along with this, one should be careful in buying property. If there is a combination of Lagna Lord, Sign Star, Sun Karma, Rishabha Star, Taurus Star, the government and politicians should be careful with their property. From this formula, the mother-wife should register her business in the name of another person and be very careful is doing business, because they will have problems government in property related matters. That's all. Next, Mercury karmic record marriage. Answer, 2, 9, 11 add. If Lagna is associated with the 7th Bhava, marriage will happen in native. A different caste, a different language and a marriage will take place. 2, 9, 11 if Lagna is related to 7th Bhava. If not related, then marriage will happen in close family. Converting and marrying Moon karma addiction. 2nd Bhava, 2nd lord, 9th Bhava, 9th lord, 11th Bhava, 11th lord. If these three are visually related, Lagna or 7th lord is related, do it. If they are in a family with Mercury dosha, they will have a groom in a close relative. Next, marrying the elder sister and marrying the younger sister due to family circumstances, marrying family members due to the death of the older sister or childlessness. Second marriage is the younger sister of the wife. To them the sign of brother-in-law. 2, 9, 11. The second marriage is a sign which can be called second marriage 9, 12. First point, marriage is own. Second point, marriage to younger sister who will have it. This characteristic is more for those who have contact 2, 9, 11 in the family where Mercury dosham karma is registered. That's all. Next, disturbance of poisonous fives. Answer, combination of 2, 3, 6 Lagna Lord Star, Sign Star in which Rahu is born in Plague registered star, plus combination of 2, 3, 6. If this sign of Sagittarius is formed with this sign, they will be troubled by poisonous animals. Dog, if Mars joins karma, the bite will be bothersome. Usually Visha dosha is Rahu karma. Dog bite poisoning is karma plus Rahu 2-3-6 combination. Attention, if there is a combination of 2-3-6 Sagittarius Lagna, its strength is high. Pay attention if there is a Jupiter in the Lagna from a different Lagna. Poisonous animal problem will come. That's all. Next, illegal marital relationship before marriage. Answer: secret family relationship, marital relationship 121316213161, the cause of improper relationship. This is a myth that Indra was bad by a woman, Moon was bad by a woman, Mercury was the child born to Moon and Jupiter's wife alliance. This is a fictional story. Moon star, if these 5 stars are in the same family as the Sun or Mrigashirs, Thiruvadirai, Chittirai, Thiruvonam, then marriage is not recognized by law and society in that family. Conjugal relationship, romantic relationship, sexual relationship has a change structure 12131612. If these 3 contact vision combination, they have this risk. There were 2 related terms to see next. First, Sun is conjunct Ketu in 3rd house. Number 2, 121316 of all, 1236 of all being. Number 3, 11th Lord is in 10th house, 10th Lord is in 11th Bhava. This astrologer should be very careful if this connection is present. Be careful before marriage. If Lagna Lord star, Sign star, Magam, Mrigas, Thiruvadirai, Chittirai, Thiruvonam are present with these 3 combinations, then they should be more careful. It is the duty of astrologers to tell the young generations to be careful, so that they do not pay attention to this to determine the self-discipline of a person. This formula should be used to guard the future life of others. That's all. Next, if 3rd Bhava Lord is in other Bhava. Answer: if 3rd Lord is in 7th Bhava, relationship with external world, 7th Bhava Garaha will be given performance, customer, joint venture. Similarly, 7th Bhava has many types. They will give priority to it. If 3rd sign is in 8th sign, occult secret study thinking in advance for this, giving priority to this matter. If the 3rd Lord is in the 9th Bhava, it is distant travel, higher education, overseas travel. If the 3rd Lord is in the 12th Bhava, they will give priority to medicine, permanent life abroad and the action plan related to it. 3rd Bhava, where is the 3rd Lord seated in which Bhava, whether or not the importance of that sign is needed, they are the ones who continue to create the importance of it. In this, the horoscope will keep giving priority automatically, or if the Lord of any other house is in the 3rd Bhava, that Bhava will attack his attention and leave his other work engagements mixed up and give priority to his work first. Then that Bhava will pressure him from the surroundings. If the 3rd Lord is in the 3rd Bhava, the 3rd Bhava regarding one thing from pen drive, making coffee in system, sending mail in bank linking, YouTube link and WhatsApp, we are sharing our ideas, watching others' ideas from sitting place with the technology facility and understanding like this is in communication related matter. What benefit we get due to that technology through that science? All that we contribute to is buried in the 3rd sign. If 3rd Lord is in 3rd Bhava, then he gives priority to 3rd Bhava. If the third lord is in the fourth bhava, he will give priority to his studies, his property and possessions. If the third lord is in the fifth bhava, then the fifth bhava is to spend the rest of the time in art, science, sports, professional work. There will be more focus on it. If the fifth lord is in the third bhava, then he will give priority to the matter related to the fifth bhava. It means that sign demands priority. Bhava demands priority. That's all. Next, 6, 11 if both signs are concurrent. Answer. 6th bhava represents enemies and 11th bhava represents friends. If these two are in the same place, when we operate that house, the 6th sign and the 11th sign will be activated. Example, if 6, 11 is related in 10th bhava, business, karmasthanam 6, 11. Once both bhavas start doing business, friendship, enmity both start working. Once he starts doing business, there will be support and opposition. Even if the 6th lord and the 11th lord are sitting together, enemies will be formed and friends will be formed. Suppose support and opposition will arise. Friendship and enmity will develop. 6, 11 when both lords sits in the 7th sign. Whenever they start a joint business or have external relations, when marriage starts as an event, 6, 11 is awareness. If 6, 11 is in 4th bhava, education, house, land, property, when starting 4th bhava, support and opposition will come. The 5th sign is child, singularity, Lagna, and in any sign 6 and 11 are in the same house. Whenever that sign starts to work, then 6, 11 will work. Both friendships and enmity will be sought. If it is in Lagna, 6 and 11 will start working for them from birth. When one begins to realize himself, then support and opposition arise. This is traditional astrology. Genetic astrology, 6th sign is Saturn moon karma. The 11th sign is Mars karma. 6, 11 if both lords sit together in the same house and it sits in the 10th house, then the 10th sign is carrier, mother-in-law karma station. Now there will be Saturn Mars karmic connection in the way of mother-in-law. Mars karma, Kartigai, Booram and Revadi or Aquarius houses or Saturn karma will definitely have Punarpusham, Swadi, Avitam or Virgo house genetic connection. If 6th, 11th is in 10th house, then Saturn and Mars karmic record will work. It will give great competitive every and great challenges, struggles, career life. This sign comes with mental stress, psychological stress, social pressure, a lot in loss, family, Mars, Saturn karmic sign relationship is in DNA genetic. If 6, 11 in 7th bhava, husband wife will have star relationship based on star combination of star Mars karmic sign in husband wife family. This trait is present in father's elder brother family. In this way, every bridge should be looked at. That's all. Next, if Ketu is in 6th bhava. Answer. If Ketu is placed in the 6th house, which can be said about health, then if the 6th lord is placed with Sun karma Ketu, there will be a health disorder related to the sun. Sun, headache, eye, calcium, bone, nutrient excess, hormonal problem caused by this, chemical composition change caused by it, health disorder caused by it, throat problem, god of thyroid problem, god of thyroid is Sun, cardiac problem Sun Jupiter, brain plus cardiac problem Sun plus Jupiter. If Ketu is in 6th bhava or 6th lord Ketu is conjunct or 6th lord is in 12th bhava, also Sun karma sign is in 6th bhava conjunction and 6th lord is in star with sun karma, one should be careful in this matter related to health problems. There is blood pressure. Ashwini, how serious is this problem now? If Ashilesha, Anuradha, Purvabhadra, Lagna sign star is placed Pisces sign, if there is Ketu in their horoscope, 6th bhava is the 12th lord of association or 6th bhava. However, if there is a combination of 6th, 12th health related to sun, be very careful about it. Oddly enough, this should not be the case because it involves legal disease. It is inherited. In this regard, the problem should be fixed as soon as occurs. For this, treatment should be done in advance. That's all. Thank you.